besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl black_queen21. Today I'm going a little jog slash walk slash run and just enjoying nature. It's a beautiful day outside, so might as well. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Actually, hope you guys can hear me. Doesn't it look so beautiful outside? Oh my goodness. I guess we're just gonna listen to the nature sounds for this video, right? Look at the cute duckies. I think you guys can see, right? Yeah, they're right there. Aren't they so cute? Pigeon think I'm chasing him, I guess. Doesn't it look so peaceful? I love it here.